In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Bitcoin from Kraken to any other crypto wallet. This is useful when you want to move your funds for safekeeping or trading elsewhere. Let's get started. Go to kraken.com and sign in to your account. Make sure your account is verified before making withdrawals. Next, click the wallet icon or go to the portfolio section on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all your balances. Now choose Withdraw from the options available. This will open the withdrawal page for your funds. In the withdrawal options, scroll down and choose Bitcoin from the crypto list. This ensures you're withdrawing BTC specifically. Then choose a network you prefer. For this video, I will choose the Bitcoin network to keep it simple and secure. Just paste the recipient's wallet address and the amount field will appear. Enter how much Bitcoin you want to send and click Confirm to complete the transfer. And that's how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick crypto guides. See you next time!